Resolving pending transfers on Binance can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Look for the transaction history to check the status of your pending transfers. This will help you understand if the transfer is still processing or if there are any issues. Step 2. Review network conditions. Visit a blockchain explorer relevant to the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Check the network conditions and confirm if there are any delays or congestion that might be affecting your transfer. This information can help you determine if the delay is due to network issues. Step 3. Confirm transaction details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the esh.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact support. If your transfer remains pending for an extended period and you have verified all details, reach out to Binance customer support. Provide them with your transaction ID and any relevant information to help them assist you more effectively. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient while they investigate the issue. Transfers can sometimes take longer than expected due to various factors. Keep an eye on your transaction status and follow up if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Binance efficiently. Remember to stay informed about network conditions and always double-check your transaction details.